Does it turn red at the top? It's recording? You sure? Let's see. Okay, it's recording. So yeah. Alright, so you're just gonna follow me like wherever I go?
I can't. I can't. Oh, you mean right here or?
No,
Oh.
stay right there.
Alright.
But just like move the camera, move your hand
Alright.
to where I am. Okay? Hey guys! Thank you all for following me. Thank you all for subscribing to my channel. And I will be sharing some more information with you guys soon. So yes, I'm here today to learn more about trading. So yeah, and thank you, William, for holding the camera so I can, you know, share with my fans. So thank you so much. Appreciate it.